Hey everybody, Tom Wolf here. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about lower back pain. So many people struggle with it, and honestly, the pain that is associated with lower back injuries is excruciating. So I have a lot of sympathy for people who struggle with it. I have several friends that are struggling with it right now, and so it got me thinking about giving some advice to help out with it. I am somebody who suffered from lower back pain for a large part of my life. See, my family's in the grocery business, and I've thrown countless cases of groceries. And in my 20s and 30s, I had what seemed like chronic back pain. So, I've been able to solve the problem, and so I want to talk to you about some of the solutions. The first thing that I did in order to deal with the pain was I got a jacuzzi, and I loosened up my back every day in a jacuzzi. If you don't have a jacuzzi, use a bathtub. I highly recommend using something with heat in order to loosen it up to help settle down the angry pain that's associated with back pain. That's the first thing you got to do when you're dealing with it, is just calm it down. Now, a lot of people say ice and then heat, but honestly, I found that when I use ice on my back, it tightens everything up and it makes my back pain worse. So I get it loose. When I'm done, I cool down flat on the ground and I do a few stretches. Okay, so ibuprofen is also a reasonable answer because it helps to reduce the swelling. But major prescription medicines for back pain, I don't recommend it. The truth is that the pain is intense enough that it really doesn't solve it unless you take massive amounts of pain medicine. I do not recommend it. Calm it down, use heat, stretch it, take care of yourself until you've got it under control. Once you've got it under control, you need to start doing a few stretches on a daily basis. I'm going to give you a couple of them. One of them is cat-cow, and if you don't know what it is, comment below my video and I'll help you. I'll show you what the video or what the exercise looks like. The other one I'm going to give you is Happy Baby. It's a great move that we use in yoga a lot, but it helps to stretch out the back and the hamstrings and get everything loose. After that, here's the real secret to solving lower back pain. You got to strengthen your core. Your core is not just your abs, it's everything from your chest to your waist, front and back. You need to start doing a sequence of exercises in order to get your core really strong. Once you get it strong, you'll either completely solve your lower back issues or you'll really minimize them to where when you do something and pull a muscle or tweak a ligament, it's going to be a really quick recovery because everything's nice and tight. The last piece of advice I have for you is if you're overweight, get some weight off so that you can take some of the stress off of your back and your spine. Most spinal injuries are not spine related, they're muscle and ligament. I'm no doctor, I'm just a guy who has experienced lower back pain and been able to solve it. I'm Tom Wolf, helping you live the good life through health and fitness.